Alright, well, the battery on our car was low, so evidently there is still a drain on the battery. So put it on the trickle charge for a little while and decided to go ahead and get the little blue Meanie hooked up to it and get it going. So it seems to be fine now, but there is some sort of little battery drain on there somewhere. Well, here we are. We made it to Yellow Jacket Garage. It's our first time here, and he's very cordial, very easy to talk to. So we're gonna start getting this little Corvette fixed up a little bit, and we shall see what see what happens with all this. Up she goes. These jacks are wonderful. Well, and this is a good sign. The wheels have not fallen off. The front bumper hasn't fallen off. So far so good. Alright, so we're here at B&B Service Center, and they sell cars and work on cars, but they do work on tractors, big diesel trucks, all kinds of stuff here. Alright, so we're back home. Just got done with getting the car realigned at B&B Auto in Bonham. And so not only did they do the realignment, but they put on a new rear hub, a inner tie rod, and two upper tie rods up front. And so with all that being done, plus what Yellow Jacket did with all four shocks and the front upper control arm, the car drove very nice. I went ahead, took it on a back road, drove 90 miles an hour for just a short period of time, and it tracked beautifully. It drove great. It was smooth. It didn't feel like new, but it felt practically like new. So very happy with it, and I hope tomorrow you will see us take a quick cruise with it. So thank you very much, and see you again after a while. Adios.